be warned, you're about to view probably one of the sexiest, raunchiest, steamiest clips you'll see on YouTube that doesn't get banned. I give you the review of the Fox Camo khaki flip-flops, size 9. I heard a rumour that some top anglers are asked to do this review of the Fox Camo khaki flip-flops. They turned it down. Even Kevin Nash turned it down. Ali Hamidi, who we all know, will turn up at the opening of an envelope and get on the internet just to promote some stuff, turned it down. So it's down to me, Johnny Boy, to show you these flip-flops. All in all, I hope you enjoy the footage. Great pair of flip-flops. Size-wise they fit perfect, but on the bridge very, very tight. If you've got fatter feet, then you're in trouble. I'm hoping that will loosen up. It should loosen up. I think I mentioned at the beginning of this video, maybe I didn't, bonus footage. Bonus footage is this. Fox Camo shorts. Lovely pair of shorts, nice detail on the pockets. Nice little rear pocket with a magnet. Really comfortable. They're like cut down jogging bottoms with camo. So there you go, people, that's the Fox shorts matching Fox Camo flip-flops. Please like, subscribe for many more in-depth technical carp fishing videos. The next video will probably be the new Fox reversible bucket hat, dark green and camo. I'm really looking forward to that. And all this stuff I buy out of my own pocket. I've been offered fishing gear before from fishing companies. I refused it. I buy my own stuff. So I give you, the carp anglers, good, honest, straight down the line reviews. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and see you again. Tight lines. Boom.